Talofa everyone, my name is Manfred. We're here at Bishop Viard College for our Youth Sports Day. So after a big few weeks with our Easter play and practices, we've decided to organise this for all our youth, just to get out and get active and lose some calories, hopefully. So today, just a bit of activities, mixture of games, team-based sports, just to build our chemistry. So when it comes to our church events, we're all together and all on the same page. So yeah, it'll be a good day today. See who's the most competitive out of the youth group. But no, it'll be good.
Sure is hot out here. No, I don't mind though. I'm just glad to be free.